Ever heard a ringing in your ears that just won't go away? You're not alone. That constant sound, called tinnitus, affects over 750 million people worldwide. Tinnitus isn't a disease, it's a symptom, usually of something else, like exposure to loud noise, ear infections, or even stress. Common triggers include prolonged headphone use, earwax blockages, age-related hearing loss, high blood pressure, and, well, even anxiety or jaw tension. While there's no universal cure, relief is possible. Doctors often recommend sound therapy to mask the ringing, hearing aids, and cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, to reduce the impact of stress. Try these at home. Avoid silence by using white noise at bedtime. Cut back on caffeine and alcohol. Practice mindfulness or gentle yoga. And remember to stay hydrated and get good sleep. Need help now? These free apps offer soundscapes and relief tools. Tinnitus Aid provides white noise and nature sounds. Resound Relief offers personalized sound therapy. And My Noise lets you adjust ambient sounds to your liking. Tinnitus can feel overwhelming, but you're not powerless. With the right tools and support, peace is possible, one sound at a time.